Welcome to House Lux Estate, your trusty guide for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Here at House Lux, we firmly believe in the power of nurturing both our physical spaces and our mental well-being. We serve up a smorgasbord of content that spans from sprucing up your living spaces to refining your daily routines, all aimed at promoting a healthier, happier lifestyle. We're not just about creating the perfect home, but also crafting the perfect headspace. We delve into a variety of topics, each one designed to help you navigate through life's ups and downs. From home improvement hacks to stress management techniques, we've got you covered. We're here to help you build a serene sanctuary both in your home and in your mind. And today we're going to explore a simple yet powerful tool for managing stress, something we can all benefit from in our fast-paced world: journaling. Journaling, a tool as old as writing itself, holds the key to managing stress effectively. Let's delve into this ancient practice and uncover its benefits for our mental wellness. First and foremost, what is journaling? At its simplest, journaling is the act of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a personal narrative, a chronicle of your journey through life. You might think of it as a letter to your future self, or perhaps a dialogue with your innermost psyche. Now, how does this relate to stress relief? Well, when our minds are cluttered with worries and anxieties, it's like trying to navigate through a dense fog. But journaling can serve as a beacon, cutting through the mist and illuminating our inner world. It allows us to externalize our thoughts, to see them from a different perspective. It's like having a conversation with ourselves, which can bring clarity and understanding. Moreover, journaling also serves as a form of self-expression. It allows us to voice our fears, our hopes, our dreams, and our frustrations. It's a safe space where we can be completely honest with ourselves without fear of judgment or criticism. And in expressing ourselves, we can find a sense of relief and catharsis. But perhaps most importantly, journaling is an act of self-care. It's a way to prioritize our mental health, to take time out of our busy schedules and focus on our well-being. It's a reminder that our feelings matter, that our mental health is just as important as our physical health. In essence, journaling is a powerful tool for stress relief. It helps us navigate our inner landscape, express ourselves freely, and prioritize our mental health. It's a testament to the power of the written word and its ability to heal and transform. Now that you understand the power of journaling, it's time to learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Starting a journal might seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple. In fact, with just a few basic steps, you can begin this transformative practice. So let's dive into how to get started with journaling. First things first, you'll want to choose a comfortable and quiet space. This could be anywhere that allows you to focus and feel at ease. Perhaps a cozy corner of your living room, a serene spot in your backyard, or even a tranquil cafe. The key is to select a place where you can connect with your thoughts without disturbance. Now, on to the next step, selecting a journal. The beauty of journaling is that it can be done in any type of notebook. You might prefer a simple spiral-bound notebook, a classy leather-bound journal, or even a digital app on your phone or tablet. The choice is entirely yours. Just ensure that your chosen journal makes you feel inspired to write. Once you've secured your journal, it's time to dedicate a specific time each day to write. This could be first thing in the morning, during a lunch break, or last thing at night. Regularity is key to forming a habit. Therefore, committing to a consistent daily schedule will help make journaling a routine part of your life. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly do I write about? Well, the beauty of journaling is that there's no set formula. You can write about your day, your aspirations, your worries, or anything else that comes to mind. You might even choose to follow a prompt or theme, such as gratitude or self-reflection. The aim is to let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. Finally, remember to approach journaling with an open mind. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or making everything sound perfect. This is your space to express yourself, without judgment or critique. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal journey. So start your journaling adventure today and discover the myriad of benefits it can bring to your life. There are several journaling techniques you can use to relieve stress. Let's dive into 3 of the most effective ones: gratitude journaling, free writing, and guided journaling. Each of these techniques has a unique way to help you manage stress, and they can be tailored to suit your personal needs and preferences. First up, we have gratitude journaling. This technique is all about focusing on the positive aspects of your life. It's simple but incredibly powerful. Each day, take a few moments to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They could be big things, like a promotion at work, or small things, like a compliment from a stranger. The act of identifying and acknowledging these positive elements can shift your mindset away from stress and towards appreciation. Over time, you'll start to see the world in a more positive light, which can greatly reduce your overall stress levels. Next, let's talk about free writing. This technique is a bit more freeform, and it's perfect for those who want to let their thoughts flow freely. With free writing, you simply grab a pen and paper and write whatever comes to mind without worrying about grammar, punctuation, or making sense. The goal here is to let out all your thoughts and emotions onto the page. By doing so, you can declutter your mind, identify stress triggers, and gain a deeper understanding of your feelings. It's like having a conversation with yourself, and it can be very therapeutic. Finally, we have guided journaling. This technique involves following prompts or questions that guide your writing. The prompts can be specific, like, what was the most challenging part of your day and how did you handle it? Or more general, like, describe a happy memory. The idea here is to guide your thoughts in a certain direction, helping you focus on specific areas of your life. This technique can be particularly useful for those who find it difficult to start writing, or those who want to delve deeper into certain experiences or feelings. It's like having a personal coach guiding you through your stress management journey. All of these techniques have one thing in common. They provide a safe space for you to express your thoughts and emotions. By putting your feelings into words, you're not just venting, but also making sense of what's going on inside your head. This process can lead to better self-understanding, which is a powerful tool in managing stress. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to journal. The most important thing is to make it a habit. Consistency is key in reaping the benefits of journaling. It might feel strange or difficult at first, but stick with it. And over time, you'll see the changes. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you. Journaling is a personal journey, so feel free to adapt these techniques to suit your style and needs. Happy journaling! Journaling is a powerful tool that can help you navigate your thoughts and emotions, ultimately leading to stress relief. As we wind up our enlightening journey through the world of journaling for stress relief, let's revisit the key points we've discussed. We started with an introduction to the potency of journaling, illustrating how this simple yet profound practice can allow you to express your thoughts and feelings freely, creating a safe space for self-expression and self-understanding. We then moved on to how you can kickstart your journaling journey. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Your journal is your personal canvas, where you can paint the picture of your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. You can start small, maybe with a few lines each day, gradually making it a part of your daily routine. Our conversation then dove into the specific techniques of journaling that can aid in stress relief. We explored the power of gratitude journaling, which encourages you to focus on the positive aspects of your life, thereby shifting your mindset towards positivity. We also discussed the technique of stream of consciousness writing, a method that allows you to pour out your thoughts and feelings without any filters, providing a deeper understanding of your emotional state. Another effective technique we touched on is problem-solving journaling, where you write about a specific issue you're facing, dissect it, and brainstorm possible solutions. This process can help you gain a fresh perspective and find practical solutions to your problems. And lastly, remember that journaling is a personal journey. It's about finding what works best for you, tailoring the process to suit your needs and preferences. There's no right or wrong way to do it. And the most important thing is that it helps you manage your stress and enhances your overall well-being. Remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more tips on maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Until next time, happy journaling.